tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell, like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell.
Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before I dive into today's video, I do just want to point out that I am currently suffering with the dreaded lurgy that's going around at the moment, so my voice in my head sounds funny. I don't know if it sounds funny in person, so this could be really irrelevant, but if my voice sounds funny, I'm just a little bit ill and I'm very short of breath, so just bear with me in today's video. But I had to sit down today and film this video for you guys because I cannot wait another day to share this with you. So recently LUSH got in contact with me, which again is a very pinch me moment. They've contacted me a few times. Every time you guys would have seen a video relating to what they contacted me for, but basically they've got in contact and said, do you want to receive the LUSH Fresh and Flowers box for November early? You can enjoy the products, you can let us know your thoughts, you can share it with your followers if you want, and obviously I want. So that is what today's video is. I have it here. I am so excited to share it with you. I haven't opened it. I have kind of ripped the packaging just to be a bit more efficient, but I haven't peeked. I have no idea what's inside, and if you guys haven't watched my videos for a while, you will not know that I used to get the Fresh and Flowers box every single month, and I personally just found that buying that and the kitchen box, I was spending quite a lot of my money on those, if you know what I mean. So I got rid of one, which was the Fresh and Flowers box for me, just because of the kind of use by date. But don't get me wrong, I absolutely love the Fresh and Flowers boxes. It was just a money situation, you know. But anyway, without further ado, we are going to be diving into the November Fresh and Flowers box for 2023. I am so excited, and if you don't want to see any spoilers, obviously don't watch this video, but this is going to be a complete unboxing and I'm so excited. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So opening up the box together, this is what's inside. So this is the Spice Fresh box, and there is a little note inside, so let's see what it says. So the note says, "Hey Melody, here you'll find our November Fresh and Flowers subscription box. Bathe and shower in a warm selection of 6 products packed with cinnamon, ginger, turmeric and pepper, inspired by the historic spice trade. We have worked with infusions or the whole plant to create a variety of safe, delicacies." With the amount I read, you think I'd be able to read. "Delicacies for your skin, perfect to warm yourself up in the chilly winter weather. We hope you enjoy, from LUSH." I still find it bizarre that they know who I am. Anyway, personally, I think this box has come at the most perfect time for me because I am ill. I feel like this is going to be the most beautiful, warming, kind of get better soon box. That is what I'm kind of hoping for. So let's dive in and see what is inside. And I am already so excited looking at this. Do you know what? I do miss the Fresh and Flowers box. I really enjoyed opening it every month. So let's see what we have. There's quite a lot in this box actually. So this is what it looks like. Let's dive in. I cannot wait. So the first thing in the box is the Padron foot paste. I believe that is what it's called. It says a slightly warming Padron. Is that what that means? Is that how you pronounce it? And cleansing lemon foot paste with deep gentle cleansing Fuller's Earth. That sounds incredible. Okay, ingredients wise in this one, we have Fuller's Earth, fresh lemon, Padron peppers. Okay, so is that like a spicy pepper? I'm gonna have to Google it later. Fair trade olive oil, jasmine absolute almond essential oil, clove bud oil. Okay, let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, okay, that is not what I expected. It's kind of muddy looking. Have a little look and see. So this is what it looks like. It's like a thick kind of muddy paste almost. Very bizarre. Let's give it a smell and see what we think. Okay, it smells way better than it looks. It's very natural smelling, like it doesn't have an overpowering smell. So I'm really excited to give this one a go. It says cover your feet from top to toe and wrap them in a towel if you'd like. Relax for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse. That sounds delicious. I guess it's very similar to the old volcano foot mask, so very, very similar in terms of how you use it. So I'm really looking forward to that. I think it's going to make me feel 10 times better. So that is the first item in the box. The next item in the box is the kind of fresh ingredients. So we have this, which is a spice bundle. How different and interesting is that? So you've got some pepper, some ginger, some cinnamon. That is so cute. I absolutely love that. And it says on the packaging you can either put this in your bath or in like a foot bath, something like that. I probably will use it more as like a foot bath, maybe to wash off the foot soak thing. I think that will be really, really nice. So yeah, this one is essentially bay leaf, vanilla pods, cinnamon stick, ginger, and a sweet red pepper. That smells really good. And yeah, it says just to put it in some water and let the spices infuse, and you can use it for your bath or foot bath. So I'm really, really looking forward to using this. Again, for this time of year for me, when I'm ill, I feel like it's going to be perfect for that nice warming, uplifting kind of vibe. So I'm really looking forward to that, and that's really different. So I'm very excited about that one. Oh, okay, the next item is really exciting. So the next item is the Vanilla Lush Melt, which obviously you use in a bath. It makes your skin incredibly, incredibly soft. And we used to have loads of Lush Melts years ago, and I think we did have a vanilla one. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like we did. But it had a different design. This is the new design, and this is a really generous size because you could easily snap this into 4 pieces. So this smells heavenly. From what I can smell of it, it smells delicious. So it shares its scent with the kind of vanilla scent family. It's very creamy, very vanilla-y. It's very sort of natural vanilla smelling, if that makes sense. And ingredients wise in this one, you've got almond oil, cocoa butter, vanilla absolute, vanilla pod, vanilla powder, jasmine absolute. It's so, so good and so beautiful. And again, you can use this in the bath. You can also use these as like a wax melt with a candle, which I think is so, so fun. So yeah, that is the next item, and it looks beautiful. So I cannot wait to use that one. The next item in the box is a pair of eye pads. Now, you guys know that for me, I never liked the kind of full cover eye patches. I felt very vulnerable, like I couldn't see. These are perfect for me. So these are the Chili eye pads. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has a smiley face on it, which is so adorable. I love the look of these. And ingredients wise in these, we have got vanilla pod infusion, aloe gel, carrageenan extract, kaolin, and paprika. That sounds so fun. It just smells like vanilla-y to me, which I feel like could just be the vanilla-y items in the box. But how adorable. I absolutely love the look of these. So cute. And again, perfect for me because they do just cover the under eye. So I am definitely going to use these. I am so excited for those. The next item is a bath bomb, and I really enjoy when they put a bath bomb in these boxes. I think it makes it so much more great value for money because everyone loves a bath bomb. Obviously, unless you don't have a bath, but everyone loves a good bath bomb. And this is the Vanilla Fountain, which I believe we had a few years ago. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like we had something very similar. So this is the Vanilla Fountain, and ingredients wise in this one, we have got vanilla pod, vanilla absolute, jasmine absolute, tonka absolute, and sandalwood oil. Again, this just smells like vanilla-y. If you guys know that smell, you'll know what this smells like. But if you don't, it is essentially a very lovely vanilla smell. It just smells of vanilla. You can kind of smell that slight jasmine vibe under there. It's not overly overpowering or anything, but it is there. But if you like vanilla, you will love the smell of this. It is so, so nice. Very gentle, very relaxing. And if you don't like overpowering smells, you will really enjoy that one. So the next item in the box is something which when I opened it, I was a little bit confused as to how it relates to anything in the box. So if you have a fear of holes, skip ahead a few seconds because this is a cork lid cube. So I'm going to show you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's a square cube with the word Lush on top, and essentially this one is fragranced with a spicy scent to help you get to sleep. So you can put this next to your bed or to infuse your bedroom, and it's kind of saffron scented, very spicy, absolutely perfect for me right now. I feel like this box was made for me in this point in time because I've got such a blocked sinus situation. All of these products are going to be absolutely brilliant for me. me. So I'm so grateful that Lush have sent me this month's box because I cannot wait to use these products. But that is the next thing. The next item we have is something in a teeny tiny little pot. So I will open it up and show you guys. So this is a saffron overnight mask. So essentially you put it on before you go to sleep and you don't need to rinse it off. It's a very weird jelly consistency. The only thing for me is that I'm not particularly obsessed with the saffron fragrance, but it actually doesn't smell that bad. It actually smells very nice, very fresh. It's not that horrible. I don't want to say that saffron smells horrible, but it's just not my kind of smell. But that smells really good actually. It smells kind of lavendery. Has it got lavender in it? So this one actually does have lavender in it. It has lavender oil and lavender absolute, but it also has saffron infusion, carrot juice, chamomile oil, carrot seed oil, and neroli oil. And it says that this one is really good to keep your skin radiant and soft, and the carrot juice the carrot juice helps your skin to glow, which sounds really, really nice and very exciting. I don't know if this is maybe like a tester product, just like kind of see how we sort of feel about it, but it smells beautiful, so I'm very excited to give that one a try. And last but not least, we have a cleanser. So this is the turmeric roll cleanser roll. Now I think we have had this one before, correct me if I'm wrong. I feel like I definitely recognize this one. So it's a really beautiful kind of sagey green color with the gold on top, which is so lovely. And ingredients wise in this one, we've got ground almonds, lavender oil, neroli oil, orange flower absolute, aloe gel, witch hazel extract, not extract. But yeah, I've used this before, I'm pretty sure. It smells very, very clean, very fresh, a little bit spicy, very warming. It smells lovely. It is really, really good. And I absolutely love the Lush cleansers. I think they're so good. They're so unique and different. And because they kind of work with so many different skin types, I feel like there's something for everyone. So I do really love the cleansers. So that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a sneak peek to the November Fresh and Flowers box. I would love to know down below, are you subscribed to the Fresh and Flowers box, or have you tried it, or are you wanting to try it? Let me know down below. I am very, very impressed with this month's box. I think every product is really, really unique and different, and I love how suitable it is for me personally, especially because I'm ill. Shall I say it anymore? I am not very well. I'm gonna milk it as much as possible, but all these products I think are gonna make me feel so much better. So that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much, Lush, for sending me this box. I absolutely am just in awe that you guys messaged me and asked to send me things, and I'm so thankful. So thank you so much to Jasmine and the team. I love you guys so much, and I absolutely cannot wait to try these products. So I am going to be posting an Instagram post of all these products, and also maybe even do a couple stories of me using them. Let me know if you'd like to see that, but make sure you follow me on Instagram. It is just my name as on here, and it's always linked in the description as well. So without further ado, I'm gonna head off. I'm gonna go and relax, take my makeup off, and sweat out this cold. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
The truth is, honey,